Hi, I'm David. This is my presentation for our Lean Construction module. I'm going to present 3 problems that I think the construction industry is currently facing. The first problem I'd like to discuss is the skill shortage that we're experiencing in the construction industry. There's a lack of younger people entering the sector. Some are saying that it's difficult to even find young people that are interested in wearing high visibility clothing. A recent CIOB study has revealed that even though construction is considered to be voted reasonably high in terms of providing to people's economic status, it's also perceived to be fairly low in terms of providing to people's social status. This is a problem in terms of how construction is perceived, particularly by the younger generation.
So you take this group of people and they graduate school and they get a job and they're thrust into the real world, and in an instant they find out they're not special, their moms can't get them a promotion, that you get nothing for coming in last, and by the way, you can't just have it because you want it.
I think a step in the right direction to overcoming this problem is more specific human resources, as well as investment specific to the needs of these millennials, so understanding what their motivations are and providing them with a workplace that they can be enthusiastic about. The second issue that I'd like to raise is related to efficiency and productivity. A study on the American construction industry has shown that on large-scale projects, up to 50% of direct labour time has been spent on non-productive activities, on things such as waiting for materials or travelling to other parts of the site. Productivity has been slow in the UK construction industry, rising just 7% over the past 20 years. And this is low compared to other industries such as manufacturing, for example, which has seen an increase of over 50% in the same period. Another way of describing efficiency is reducing waste, and in construction this means reducing waste in time, cost, materials, energy and labour. Part of the solution for solving the efficiency and productivity problem is adopting more of the off-site manufacturing techniques and continuing to learn from other industries such as manufacturing and automotive. Because of the diverse range of projects and tasks involved in construction, the actual drive for automation has been quite slow. Increasing efficiency will also help to boost overall productivity. This will allow firms to deliver more sustainable projects, have a higher profit margin and become more competitive. Collaboration between organisations is also important. Organisations within the aerospace and automotive industries have reached a point where they're comfortable collaborating with one another, and this allows them to share best practice, share information, and overall they're benefiting from a greater commercial advantage. The final issue that I'd like to discuss is that of digitisation. This is about businesses using ICT systems to connect every link within their chain. The construction industry could be accused of being slow to use new technologies. Clearly, construction firms understand the need for digitisation. The UK government's 2015 BIM Level 2 mandate was a catalyst for the industry to embrace new technology. The problem lies with the implementation. A German consultancy, Roland Berger, found that 96% of large construction companies feel that digitisation will be required in all of their processes. However, only 6% of construction companies feel like they're fully using it to its potential at the moment. There are 4 parts to implementing this. The first is to do with the collection and gathering of data to look at every part of the chain. The second is automation, so using new technology to create self-organising systems. The third is connectivity, which is using synchronisation of separate activities. And the final part is access, so having access to the data through mobile means using the internet. I've discussed 3 issues that are currently being experienced in the construction industry. I'm now going to try and form my own model in order to combat these issues.
Yes!
So this is it. This is my model so far. This is the leadership, automation, digitisation model. This is where we need to be here. This is the sweet spot. Leadership of the millennial generation, so encouraging them to enter the industry and understanding their motivations. Automation is related to standardisation of construction elements and off-site manufacturing. And then it's linked to digitisation as well, which is linking these processes together through digital means.